boca a boca significa, tiene un significado muy grande en la cual nosotros pues ayudamos y apoyamos a diferentes familias que los necesitan.
I chose to come to Guatemala because of all of the Guatemalan patients that I took care of in Oakland and hearing their stories and their description of their home. I think WUCU has an incredible program in that it's continuous. We don't just come once, and there's continuity of care, which is a huge advantage to the community and a big reason why I chose to work with this organization.
Acá en Clínica Miller lo que hacemos es brindarles educación para que ellos puedan, ellas puedan empoderarse y tomar una decisión sobre su cuerpo y decidir cuántos hijos quieren tener.
For me, what stands out about the care that we're providing for patients here is the emphasis on keeping patients well.
We have the luxury of working with some wonderful nurses and community health workers who know this community really, really well. So they're able to help us come up with plans for these patients that are sustainable, that they can do even when we're not here.
As we're working with the patients here in all arenas, with pediatric care and prenatal care, women's health, as well as with older individuals in the community. So it's pretty cool because we're not only treating illness, but really providing a lot of education and preventative health care services as well.
So we woke up today around 5:30 and we loaded up in our bus over here and we drove up to the Highlands. We are working in a clinic in Chichimooch. We're going to be here for 2 days. So today was our first day here. We came here to unpack our stations and get everything ready for the day. We have 3 providers today. So our goal is to see a patient every maybe 30 or 40 minutes and keep things rolling. So when patients come in, they get checked in by intake, their weight taken, their height taken, temperature taken, and our intake team gives us a little bit of information on why they're coming in. They then come over to the provider station where we try to work on what issues they're coming in with and try to come up with a plan together that can both help them and is also sustainable until the next time they're able to come by. They then move over to our pharmacy station where they pick up their medications and vitamins and anything else they might need. We have a couple.
Experience for the residents is really beneficial in terms of their knowledge and use of low resource settings and helping them to think outside the box in terms of ways that they can utilize medicine. You can't just get an echo on every patient or an ultrasound on every patient. You have to really dive into physical exam maneuvers and distinguishing different parts of the heart by listening in different areas and some, things like that. So it's a really great experience for them overall.
So our global health trip has been absolutely amazing, and I think one of the best things has been just the amazing group that we have and really getting to bond and do really interesting fun stuff that I probably wouldn't have done if I had come alone.
Find a great coffee place.
Soak in the Guatemalan culture and the beautiful scenery and landscape. And
Make the most of all of your free time. There's not much of it, but when you have it, there's so many places to explore. There's great food, great people, and great places.
Another thing I think that made this trip really cool was getting to practice my very beginner Spanish and just learning more words and growing more comfortable with speaking Spanish. And I feel like that was also helpful helpful in the clinic, but I felt like it helped me get a little bit more of a connection with the culture as well.
And definitely learn some Spanish.
It's just been such a privilege to be able to come here and to work with such an amazing team. I think we really bond through an experience of service and learning from an amazing culture and amazing population.
And I think we're all leaving here with some awesome new friends.
So, very grateful for this opportunity and hope to come back.
It's such a great time, and I'm so grateful to have this experience.